You win. Today is Saturday, September 26th. The current time, 2:21 p.m. and the temperature, 86 degrees.
Hello and welcome to Movie Phone.
You've got mail.
This is American Top 40 in Hollywood. I'm Kasem. Now we're up to our long-distance dedication. This one goes halfway around the world from Malaysia to Oklahoma.
The call you have made requires an initial deposit. Please hang up momentarily, listen for dial tone, deposit the amount specified on the instruction card, and dial your call again.
At this time, WPIX New York leaves the air until tomorrow, when we'll resume with another schedule of the best in television. And now, our national anthem.